back to my channel where I bring you the latest trends and insight into the real estate market. Today we'll be diving into the vibrant city of Portland, Oregon, and is known for its stunning landscaping and unique blend of urban and natural beauty. Portland has become the destination for homeowners and investors alike. One of the key factors contributing to Portland real estate success is the strong economy, with a diversity range of industry such as technology, manufacturing, healthcare, and the city numerous job opportunities and attracts newcomers. This drives the demand of housing, creating a competitive market for buyers. Another standout feature of Portland real estate is the variety of neighborhoods. Whether you're looking for a trending urban setting or a quiet and family-friendly suburban, there's something for everyone. From historic Victoria home to a sleek modern apartment, the housing options cater to the wide range of preference and budget. However, with the high demand, it's essential to stay informed about the local market condition. The housing inventory in Portland can be tight, leading to multiple bids on the property and raising prices. Therefore, it's crucial to work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who can guide you through the process of helping you navigate to the competitive landscaping. That wraps up our overview on the real estate market in Portland, Oregon for this moment. If you are considering making a move to this dynamic city or investing in a blooming market like the Portland, Oregon, be sure to do the due diligence and work with a professional who have the deep understanding of the local market. And stay tuned for more insight of the real estate market here in Portland, Oregon and the surrounding area. And don't forget to like, subscribe for your regular update. This is Liz Marshall, your local real estate broker with Premier Property Group, licensed in the state of Oregon. Thank you.